This is Project El Jefe, an E.C.D custom 110 built to our client's exact specification. El Jefe is painted in a full gloss, almost white, whisper grey, black from the door tops up, very similar to the Range Rover autobiography look. This 110 sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 satin black wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. El Jefe features a 6-point roll cage with rear ladder, tubular front bumper with worn winch, 4 LED round spotlights and a personalised steering guard. Inside, this 110 features a Nardi steering wheel in black with all-American nickel gauges, 2 Recaro orthoped front seats and a Puma 60/40 split mid-row. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal Chelsea grey and caviar leather, stitched together in grey. El Jefe also features a custom storage box in the load area. This 110 is powered by our 565 horsepower LS3 Plus engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. El Jefe also features an array of modern elements such as CarPlay, wireless charging and USB points throughout. El Jefe is a superb example of an E.C.D custom build, taking cues from other Land Rover marques that inspire a final product, be it classic, modern or a twist of both.